Guys. So today we will be learning about one very good function in Excel, which is data table. Okay. This is used in places where you have to arrive at an output based on two variables and the combination of two variables. So I'll try to explain you with one small example. Then you will understand what this data table is doing. Okay. So you see, first let us understand the data which is given. The growth percentage is 20. The base year sale is 1 crore. And then it will grow every year at 20%. Okay. So this is all formula driven. It is growing 20%. And this is average, average sales of these years. Okay. So this is the average sales. And now my objective is to arrive at a valuation based on sales multiple. Okay. So I have taken 1.5 as sales multiple, average sales multiple of 7 years, right? So I have arrived at this number. Now you go and present this to the management or to your manager, and he says, no, you take growth percentage as 18 and your valuation multiple should be 1.7. Okay. So what you will do, you will go here, you will change, and you will go here and you will change. Now he says, tell me, if I make the growth percentage 20, 22 or 18%, rather 18, and keep the valuation multiple as 1.5, what will be the result? So what you have to do to create these kind of multiple permutation combination, you will have to make these tables different times or keep changing these numbers, right? So there is a very effective way of doing it. Okay. So there are two variables. One, the valuation multiple, right? So it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you can choose. And growth percentage, sales growth percentage. Okay. So I have made it in a tabular form here, right? I made it a very simple table here. Okay. And now what I will do, I will do whatever formatting I need to do to make it beautiful. Right. What I will do now is that I will use one function which is called as data table function. But before that, one important thing you have to do is whatever output you want. Okay. There is a row here and this is the column, right? So in the intersection, this cell is empty. So what you have to do is you link this cell to the output which you want and make it white. Okay. So that it is not visible. Okay. Now what you will do, you will select the entire table and go to data and go to what if analysis and go to data table. Right now, what is the row input cell? This 15, 17.5, 25, where it is coming from? It is coming from this cell C3. We want this cell to be replaced by this, like 20 should become 15, 17.5 and 25 and give me these results. So I will go this, right? And then I will have to select the valuation. These are all valuation multiples, right? From where the valuation multiple is coming? It is coming from here. So I will do this, right? And when I am done, I will just press OK. Now you see, you will get the sales, the valuation, the enterprise value. This is also called as enterprise value, right? You will get the enterprise value at different combinations, 17.5% sales growth and 2 is my EBITDA valuation, right? 15%, 2%, 17.5. So you see 3 into 4, 12 combinations we have got it. You can get any number of combination. There is no limitation in that, right? So let's say our base data was 1 and 1.5, right? You see, just for checking purposes, that at 1.5% valuation multiple and 20% sales growth, it is 27 crores odd, right? So this is how you will build this data table very, very effective. You can increase the number of rows, number of columns, and can run this data table again. Like for example, you want to do 5.5, right? Let us see. You want to add 5.5, 6.5 as a combination. So you can do it very easily. And here also, if you want to increase to, let's say 30% also, I want to increase in my this thing. I will just go here. Again, I have to run that function because the entire my range is changing. So I will go again to data once more for everybody. Go to analysis table, and I will first share growth, right? The sales growth, and the second is my multiple, and then press OK. So you see, you have got it for all the combinations. So you can keep increasing the combinations, right? And it gives you a very beautiful result for financial modeling, which we have launched our course also today. When we will do, it will be very, very useful for football chart, for analyzing, for preparing charts, etc. A very powerful function. Hope you like this video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day and a nice weekend.